Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to see Capital One card number online. To start, open the website CapitalOne.com. Then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see the list of accounts. Click on View Account. After that, you will see the View Debit Card button at the upper part of the screen. Click on View Debit Card. Here you will see your debit card details. To see the whole number, click on View. A pop-up text will then appear, asking you to verify your information first. Click on Continue. Next, choose a verification method. You could either receive a temporary code via text message or verify using the Capital One app. In this video, we chose to verify via text message. Click on the option you wish to choose. If you also chose to verify via text message, select the mobile number where you wish to receive the code. Then click on the button that says Send me the code. Next, on the field provided, enter the 6-digit code sent to the number you have provided. Then click on Submit Code. That's how you see your Capital One card number online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.